Good evening from Arcan RV, Brock here. We're just going to talk a little bit about the 2020 Keystone Sprinter 330 KBS. I'm going to go over the exterior features here first before we go on in the coach there. So we might as well start off with this beautiful front cap here by Sprinter. It is a fiberglass front cap that is automotive grade, and it does have a windshield that is see-through from the inside. They're just allowing a lot more natural light in this kind of front living setup, I guess you could say. So rock guard underneath, standard with two 30-pound propane tanks. You're always going to get a power stabilizer jack with Sprinter, as well as the four-corner electric stabilizer jacks below there for you as well. You do have solar connect over here, so if you're looking to do some solar panels, you know, the suitcase style ones on the to the side of your trailer, to charge your batteries, you can definitely do that, or you can do install on the roof as far as roof mount solar too. We'll walk around over to the back here. I mean, you can see that you're looking at aluminum rims on 15-inch tires here, but more importantly, just between the rims here, you're going to see the Keystone exclusive road armor suspension by Lippert on this unit here. It's got sort of a torsion suspension kind of situation going there. You got a lot of play up and down, about 3 inches up and down as far as, you know, what, ruts, potholes, those kind of things there. So, you know, that first tire's absorbing all that kind of shock. Second one's coming over easy, so it's adjusting to that what happened on the first tire there. So really nice ride from Keystone on all their Sprinter product here. You get a little additional storage under the bed here, because this is an east-west king size bed. And then around to the back, we've got this is where your 50 amp connection is for this rig here. It is an attachable power cord, which is nice. You got some more storage exterior on the back side here as well. Now you do have a ladder that's getting up to your fully walkable roof on this unit here. It is a TPO roof, thermal polyurethane roof there, expandable, contractible in the lovely conditions that is Alberta with our ups and downs as far as the schnooks and stuff. So now this is a two-door entry. One door entry to the bedroom, one door entry to the kind of the main living area here, and they do give you the solid steps on both entries here with the Sprinters. So as you can see, massive awning. We're looking at about an 18-foot awning on this unit here. It is a power awning and it is LED lit, as you can see. Exterior speakers are set into the awning there, so they're coming down on your campsite, keeping that noise just on your campsite and not in your neighbor's campsite, which is really nice. This is a 30-inch entry door on this unit here, as well as a friction hinged door. So nice large entry door there. Speaking of large, you know, Sprinter does things really, really large. They're 100-inch wide body construction, so that extra width on the Sprinters that a lot of the other manufacturers aren't doing there. And you can totally see it on the inside when you look at the floor plan. It is very nice and open, so let's have a look at that. So, really different setup here. Little island there, two-seat island type deal. Can be used for counter space, can be used for eating, whatever you want that way. You do get the captain's chairs, theater seating over to the side here, the Thomas Paine collection. Very nicely appointed with kind of like a vinyl material. It's kind of scratch resistant and stain resistant, so really good if you have, you know, dogs or if you spill or anything like that. And these are recliners as well there for you. So on the back side here, you do have a trifold sofa there, so for an additional sleeping quarters. And like I mentioned, outside, that's your front windshield on this unit here. So a ton of natural light coming in here for you. Really opens things up nice. And they do give you some USB ports around the unit here too. So you got a little over 5,000 BTU furnace as far as the electric fireplace here. It's going to pump out a ton of heat there for you. Really large TV on the swivel bracket as well. And then you've got the Furion soundbar that is going to be pumping out your tunes there for you. It does have the USB and HDMI inputs on it. Control your speakers from inside or out. Now this is unique. Not only one fridge, but two fridges. These are two side-by-side 7 cubic foot refrigerators here. So plenty of storage as far as refrigeration for any of your food. With Sprinter here, so you don't have to worry about that. We consider this more of a destination trailer, but it can be easily towable by 3/4 ton, 1 ton for sure that way. Coming over to the side here, you're going to get your little Keystone oven slash cooktop. It's going to be a glass cooktop here with a 3 burners high output range on the top there, as well as a microwave and a vented fan. And you got plenty more counter space over here, so I mean that's a really good place to put a coffee maker, tea maker, whatever you want over here. You still got a bank of drawers all over the place. This is kind of unique. Sprinter did a little bit of a pet-friendly unit here. If you don't have a dog or your cat or whatever it is, you can always take that off. Just going to be a drawer there for you too. So plenty of cabinetry. You got your one-piece stainless steel farm style sink here. It's undermounted there with some really nice stainless steel faucets, spray down faucets there for you. Large pantry, bank of drawers underneath still. So you got plenty of storage space inside this unit here too. And I wanted to kind of touch on a little thing that's unique to Sprinter too. They've got a little bit of a wireless remote here. You can use this to put on your lights, your awnings, your stabilizer jacks, and your slides here. And this can be done from inside the coach or outside the coach. I like it for the fact that, you know what, sometimes you got tighter camping spaces there and you're like, ooh, I don't know, is that going to be close to the tree? When you're putting out your slide, it takes all the guessing away as you can be outside doing that. So we've got a walk-through bathroom here. Nice dual vanity bathroom here. His and her medicine cabinets. Again, more drawers, more storage, and then it is appointed with a nice kind of linen closet over here too. You got a glass radius shower off to the side here. More than enough space to be able to have a shower in there. Plus, you got the skylight as well. You got an electric fan in the bathroom there to kind of keep the air flowing through it, as well as in the bedroom for airflow here too. Now this bedroom's got a king-size bed. It's a 70 by 80 king-size bed there for you. So still a walk around, still get a little counter space on both sides, and you get some cross ventilation with the windows and the slide there as well. Got some nice nighttime reading lights. What I like about these real lights is they got a little kind of blue tinge to them too here, so you can kind of set whatever way you want on those lights there. Gives you a little versatility. And then you do have a little bit of a closet here, so you know what, you can hang any of your sweaters, coats, anything like that. You can hang whatever you really want inside there. So, and then off to the side here, yet again more storage. And it is washer dryer prepped on the bottom here, so you know what, a combo washer and dryer would fit in there perfect. They were thinking about the dimensions when they were looking at depth and width, because they were wanting this to be more of a, you know what, the stationary unit, but it can be easily towed again by a 3/4 ton, 1 ton unit there as well. And then lastly but not leastly, they do black blinds, so it does really help with you know, keeping that light out. You know, maybe it's in the summer when the sun's rising a little early and you're not at that earlier of a riser. It'll keep it nice and dark in here for you too. And then these are just big pocket doors that are closing for the bedroom here. I might just use those to end the video here. Once again, it's Brock with Arcan RV. This was the 2020 Sprinter 330 KBS. And you can reach us at arcanrv.com on our website, or give us a shout at the store. Thank you very much. We'll see you later. I'm going to have to sleep.